Okay. From PIT, Palampon Institute of Technology. Coach for baseball. And my expectation for this squad will be it will be a great battle for every school, considering that for 2 years we haven't been into squad, and I know everyone is so excited for this event. So we will expect a very umaatikabong bakbakan talaga for every SUC, and my hope for our team is we will enjoy. At the same time, we will make friends with other SUC.
Hello everyone. So I am from Eastern State University, ESO, and I am a volleyball player, a middle spiker and a middle blocker. And then my expectation of SQUA is to win or to try our best ba nga maabot ay madaog ni namo. Tapos akong hopes is to meet a lot friends and go on and to ano pa man dagan pa basta dagan kaayo ko hopes sa SQUA kay dugay-dugay na sab ko ka play ba. So this is my first time nga nakapel og SQUA, and so dako gyud kog hopes kay ganahan kog maka-experience og dako-dako sa ngani nga event. Kaya akong mga naapilan lang mga provincial meet, mga district meet, pero dili pa ko college adto. Karon kay tagaan kog chance sa Ginoo nga moabot ngani nga kuan.
Good day, everyone. I am the captain ball of the Visayas State University Women's Basketball. My expectation for the SQUA Meet 2022 is that we will win and that we will meet new friends and learn many things from this event. I am hopeful that we are going to proceed into new heights and meet new people and discover new talents from this event. That would be all. Thank you.
So today I am from Eastern Visayas State University, Ormoc City campus, and I am part of the basketball team of Ormoc City. So my expectation for SQUA 2022 is, of course, I hope that it will be fun. I hope that I will learn a lot of like things or lesson in this meet, and also to gain a lot of new friends. Also, I would expect that our team would do a great job since we prepared for this meet, and also that we'll be able to enjoy the rest of the remaining days of this SQUA. So my hope is that we will, of course, that we will win a gold medal, since like what I have mentioned earlier, that we have prepared for this meet, and also such as other or athletes. Since this is my first time, I hope that I will be able to meet new friends and also new surroundings. So more ito. Thank you.
LNU badminton team. My expectation in this SQUA 2022 is that since I am new in this field, I want to experience, or I want to know what is SQUA, and what do you call this? I want to know what are the things that comes in this field, because I am new, of course, and I want to manifest also na wala sanang ma-injure na players. Enjoy lang the games, and yun, gain more friends since athlete naman lahat dito, and yun, mag-enjoy lang sa game natin. Yun lang po.
Hello everyone, ako dahil eskwelahan kay Northwest Samar State University. Akong event kay softball, then ako ang captain ball. Akong expectation ani nga SQUA kay ang mga kontra kay mga ligo na jud. Kay pila ka years, di ba, nag-pandemic, so bangin nag-ready jud sila nya. Hope ko nga bisan mga baguhan pagahong mga ka-team kay bisag maka-medal raon ta nana. Mag-enjoy ani nga duwa.
I'm a baseball player. I'm from BIPSU, and my expectation of this SQUA 2022 is to being champion or from this SQUA 22, and my hope is to be makakita og laing friends. Thank you.
Hi, I'm from Samar State University. I'm the captain of softball team there, and my expectation for my team that I hope na makapaglaro po kami ng mabuti at saka maging safe lang po yung laro namin. And then I'm hoping na we can make friends to our mga kalaro.
Hi, we're from the Southern Leyte State University, the Mighty Kingfishers men's volleyball team, and we welcome you to SQUA 2022.
So our expectation of this big event is to have a successful and also to have a sportsmanship in each team, especially since we have 11 universities competing this SQUA 2022. I hope you will enjoy and the students or our athletes have a camaraderie since we are in a regional SQUA. I hope that they enjoy watching and enjoy this big event, which is SQUA 2022, and welcome to SLSU main campus.